In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install and set up OBS Studio to record your screen step by step. Go to the official OBS Studio website. Choose your system, Windows, MacOS or Linux. Click to download the installer. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. It's very quick. Next, I'll guide you through the initial setup process. Open OBS Studio. If the auto configuration wizard doesn't appear, you can select it in Tools. If you are going to record the screen, select the option, Optimize for recording. I will not be streaming. OBS will automatically detect the screen resolution and performance of your computer. Click on Apply Settings. Let's create a new scene and start recording. Now we click on plus to a new scene and give it a name. Now we click on plus to a new source. In this case we are going to select Display Capture and name it. We chose the capture method and the display. Right-click on the mouse and select Transform, Fit to Screen. Now, I'll show you how to change basic settings for recording. Click on Settings. Click on Output and check the following. Output mode must be simple. Video bitrate should be 6000. On the recording path, you can change the location. Recording format chose MKV or MP4. On Video Encoder, change if you have NVIDIA graphic. Click on Video and check the following. Base resolution and output resolution should be 1920*1080. Common FPS value should be between 30 and 60. Click on Audio and check the following. On Desktop Audio and Mac Audio, you select your own device. Click on Hotkeys and check the following. On Start Recording and Stop Recording, press the button that you want to use. At the end, click on Apply and OK. Now let's create a video to test the settings. Click on Start Recording. Now, I'm going to create and delete a folder to see if the recording is working properly. At the end, click on Stop Recording. You can see the recording path of the video. We can verify that the recording was saved in the folder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.